Hello and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're doing Carolina mustard barbecue sauce. Now I've never had this sauce before and I got something cooking this weekend and I definitely want to try this sauce out with it. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. The recipe will be in the video description, so go ahead and find it there. I did make a little twist on it, but for the most part the first portion of it is the original recipe that I received. Okay, so you want to add 3/4 of a cup of yellow mustard. I haven't started the heat yet. Once I put the apple cider in, and then I'll turn on the heat. You'll add a 3/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. At this point you want to turn on the heat. Add 1.5 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, the recipe does call for a 1/2 tablespoon of salt. I made a mistake and did 1 tablespoon, so I ended up making a double batch, but go by the recipe and use only a 1/2 tablespoon. Add 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. Go ahead and add 1 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Give it a mix. I'm going to start incorporating everything. Now I have it on medium-low. Kind of want to just get this simmering. Now the recipe did call for 2 teaspoons of Louisiana hot sauce. I like my stuff a little spicy, so I went ahead and added 1 tablespoon. Just make sure you stir and mix everything together. So you want it on low heat so that way you can thicken up the sauce. Now for a little kicker, I added a tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of dried tarragon, one tablespoon of smoked paprika, and 1 tablespoon of chili powder. Now I kind of wanted to make a little twist on this, you know, to add a little bit of depth of flavor. That way when I put it on what I'm cooking, it's going to be a nice flavor. So from here you just want to stir, make sure that everything incorporates good. Let it simmer down so that way it thickens up. So as you can see, the amount has increased because I had to do a double batch since I had used double the salt, so I just went ahead and made a bigger batch. From here you just want to simmer it down, let it thicken up. Stir occasionally. Now it is on medium-low heat. Just let it do its thing. You're going to do this about 15 to 20 minutes. That vinegar and mustard really smells up the house, I tell you that. keep on stirring it. You gotta make sure that those flavors build in with each other. Once you start making your own barbecue sauce, you'll never want to buy another barbecue sauce again. You can basically do whatever you want to it. When I have the time, I try to make my own barbecue sauce. And after about 20 minutes, just go ahead and turn off the heat. Just let it sit. Give it an occasional stir every now and then. Let it cool down. Get you a nice jar or something that you can be able to put it in. So once it's cooled down, you just pour it in there. And then put it in the fridge. That way it's ready to use when you need it. As you can see, it's already thickened up. It actually gets thicker when you put it in the refrigerator. Give it a taste and see what you think. Well, that's it for today, folks. I hope you like what you've seen today. I want you to try this out. Hit that like button. And if you had never seen any of my videos before, hit that subscribe button. Have a good one and take care.